morning, children. Today we will see another important question of your board examination class 12 physics from chapter number 3 current electricity. Let us see how we will solve this. The question is like this. Two batteries of EMF 6 volt and 3 volt and internal resistance 0.8 ohm and 0.2 ohm respectively are connected in series to an external resistance R. Find the value of R so that potential difference across 6 volt battery is 0. So here I have drawn the circuit diagram according to the question. 6 volt and 3 volt are connected like this, and their internal resistance is 0.8 ohm and 0.2 ohm, and unknown external resistance is connected with these cells. We have to find the value of capital R so that the potential difference across the 6 volt battery is 0. So first we will write the equation of current. What is current for this circuit? EMF upon total resistance. Total EMF upon total resistance. So in total resistance we will take internal as well as external resistance both. So I is equal to total EMF 6 plus 3 divided by 0.8 plus 0.2 plus R. Now current is equal to 9 upon 1 plus R. This is the expression for current for this circuit. Now you know very well what is the formula of terminal potential difference V. V is equal to EMF minus current into resistance, internal resistance. We have to apply this formula for 6 volt because across 6 volt given potential difference is 0. So across 6 volt potential difference is 0. So now we are going to apply 0 is equal to 6 minus I multiplied by R is internal resistance, that is 0.8. Simplify it. I cross 0.8 is equal to 6. I already you have calculated. 9 upon 1 plus R is multiplied by 0.8 is equal to 6. Take this right side 7.2 and 1 plus R will go to the right side, that is 6 plus 6R. Now 6R is equal to 7.2 minus 6, that is 1.2. So capital R is equal to 1.2 divided by 6, and that is 0.2. So 0.2 ohm is the answer. So I hope you understand about this numerical. So we will meet in next video with another important question for board examination. Okay, thank you.